Stop the lag. Unlock your PC's hidden power now. 5 settings you must change. Your PC is likely stuck in balance mode, which limits your speed. Open PowerShell as administrator to unlock the hidden ultimate mode. Paste this command. Hit enter, and the plan is added instantly. Now, just select it to unlock your hardware's full potential. Now go back to Power Options, and you'll see the ultimate performance plan is unlocked. Select it for maximum speed. Step 2. Disable core isolation. This reduces CPU overhead and boosts your FPS instantly. Switch memory integrity to OFF. This stops Windows from using extra resources in the background. Step 3. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type %temp% exactly like this and hit enter. Press Ctrl plus A to select all, then Shift plus delete to bypass the recycle bin. Wait for it to finish. This is all the junk that was clogging your system and slowing down your PC. Step 4. Go to Settings and Apps. We need to stop useless apps from running in the background. Click the 3 dots, go to Advanced Options, and set Background Apps Permissions to Never. Step 5. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Go to Startup and disable every high-impact app. PowerShell unlocked. Background apps killed. Junk deleted. Your PC is ready. No waste, just pure performance. Restart and enjoy the speed. Follow for more tech unlocks.